Piaggio preserved a shark nose front end for that familial look that comes complete with a typical quartet of slots on either side of the binocular headlight arrangement. The splash of gold that is the front brake caliper pops quite nicely against the generous blackout treatment that claims both wheels and hits many points in between to include the front fender and fork sliders right off the bat. In keeping with its mission to draw in a youthful crowd, the Typhoons usually run with edgy graphics for a nice splash of attitude to go with the overall sporty design, and the next-gen 2018 models are no exception. The decals dress up the panels nicely, though they were hardly necessary as there aren't exactly any large areas that need to be visually broken up. At least they stop short of making the Typhoon look too busy. Behind the also-Italian-looking handbar fairing resides the new instrument panel that comes laid out with an analog clock for the speedo and an LCD screen and warning lights for everything else. No tachometer, but it's nice having a proper fuel gauge rather than going strictly by the odometer. The steering column surrenders to the step-through completely, so with no tunnel, there's no obstruction to complicate mounting up and you get full user tween feet storage space.